Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 2000 amp 3 to 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 208 3-phase. Has been tested, checked out here at Lanco's in good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 33 inches wide by 50 inches high. Weighs roughly 1,000 pounds. Good working condition. We'll come back around here. It does have the tap switch controls in the front. And we'll turn it on to see and hear it go. Come over here and take a look at the O-scope wave. Very nice conditioned unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.